You like that? Light shit. That was a 10. That was a 10. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Was that manly guy enough for you? Manly enough? A fucking cat. I don't know why I'm so burpy. Still look good. Anybody in their life? That was long. I was still a baby. Excuse me. Excuse me. And not throw a fit. That was, I did. That one was muffled. And I was in the hallway for that one. Finally, that hurt. Cash out. Hiccups.
I'm somewhere probably with a gay man's fine.
You gotta get them out because I want it to come out. Look at that burp. Eek. That was a 2. Excuse me. I know. I don't know. Excuse me. Excuse me. Big difference. Excuse me. Even my cat looked over at me. Excuse me.
How the fuck I'm still up? Right names on the list, baby.
Not liquidy before I put the marker.
You just dropped some. Excuse me. Excuse me. Did I say excuse me?
Why are you kissing?
Now you need some love.
Alright. Okay. Yep. Oh no. Yep. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. That's all I got. Sorry. Got it. Excuse me. There you go. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay. Whatever. You're pissing me off, man. There. Oh, is there a bit of snot in here? Excuse me. Juliet, we're being summoned to burp. Can I have this coat? Yeah. Oh, that was good. Ew. Nice. Oh, Peyton is my favorite person in the whole world. Ew, that was like.
I think I won.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I use soda, everyone's fucked. I'll throw up.
I'm gonna check my phone.
You guys, we gotta eat too.
I've known her for a very long time.
I think they're having a conversation in the comments, but I can't.
Call me Joe right now.
She called me phone the other day.
Yeah.
Yes, I usually like listening to like. Now my connection is. Excuse me. I said 5.
we can decorate the hotel and dress up. You know? Anytime. Oh.
Excuse me. We just lost. That was so little. Oh, I should go live too. I haven't been live in forever. So yeah, account. So I will.
There is none. We are all.
A lot. No offense to Bonds. Oops. You grab your Dr. Pepper. Okay. Piercing Tori, yeah. Excuse me? I'm fine. Yeah. Excuse me. Peyton. Okay, you guys are. I just hiccuped and burped at the same time. Oh, sorry, guys. Check your TikTok. Excuse. I am chill. Not for track.
Parents ain't around,
At the burp. Dang, guys, that was good. That was a good burp. Ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. I got it mixed up.
The shark that your mom gave Isla?
It's a lifesaver. Shark?
Yeah.
Then I saw that his read receipts. That was amazing. Anyways. 30. Oh. Lightly, I have Dr. Pepper in my hand. You recharge in like Minecraft. Oh, like we're rating her on Dress to Impress. 1,000, 10,000 aura. So that we can see the same angles. Okay.